Oh, it's Sunday, so we're preparing for church. And someone knocked on our door. Our very kind neighbor, Linda. So she gave this. What do you call this, love?
It is a soup, stuffed pepper soup.
With rice, right?
Rice.
She said.
It's like peppers, rice, beef, I think.
Okay.
She gave us a card, a New Year's card. If you want to look at that.
Oh,
It's of her whole
that's
family.
her family, yeah. She actually gave us something on Christmas Day, but yeah, I didn't know that New Year is also different.
I've never seen someone have a New Year card.
Yeah,
That's nice.
they had a New Year card.
They have
Wow,
big
that's
family.
beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Because it's like children and grandchildren and great grandchildren.
Oh, yes. Oh, I want to put this in the so that we can pray for them.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
on the
She said he's doing better, so I guess that's good.
yeah.
You know, he's going good.
This is our lunch. This is actually the same food from yesterday.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Broccoli, rice,
Yeah.
and I didn't add beans, but the ground beef with mushroom sauce, cream sauce. Okay, so let's go.
Still there.
Where are they?
With their cars.
Love, your car is so dirty.
It's the snow and road salt from Friday.
Wow.
That's what's gonna be, I guess, girl. You're getting your shoes all snowy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's take a photo, love. Okay. What's that? Train?
Yeah.
Oh no.
No, it's church bell.
A church bell. Okay, let's go.
I don't know why they've been so close.
So close? What do you mean?
To my driveway.
Da.
Oh, there's the edge of it too. Where they're buying the property. They put that stick. Where they're measuring it. I
Whoa.
wonder how much they paid for it.
Love, look at that. That's very wide. Still very
'Cause
wide.
if they're just putting a garage, it must not be that much money for the land. Would have made more sense if we bought it. It's right next to us. But there might be some money.
Okay, I will explain first what's going on. So finally, we know already who bought the place on our side, on our right side of our house. And it's our neighbor. The son of Linda bought it for them, right?
Yeah.
So that they will have a garage.
Yeah.
They will not put a house there, love. Just a garage.
Just a garage.
So what can you say with that, Lovey?
Yeah. It's good. I guess at least we know what neighbors we're having next door, both sides.
Mm-hmm. At least we know them already.
Yeah. So that'd be good.
Wow, love, looks like it's still very cold today. Look at that, too, very
30. It's
wide.
about 30 right now. 29.
29.
Not as bad as yesterday. It's January, so it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, it's very cold, guys. Ooh, my hand. I think I need. But it's warm at church,
Yeah.
so
Just here.
just here.
Some people have car
Outside.
starters. I don't have a car starter. Where you can get started before you go in.
Yeah,
I don't-
you didn't do
I
that,
don't have that
Bobby.
on my car.
Really?
You have to get it installed by somebody.
Okay. Oh, there's a dog fighting outside. Looks like they loves.
Yeah, dogs love snow.
Yeah, they love snow. Really?
I mean,
They didn't feel cold, no?
some, yeah, they feel
What
cold.
about the cats?
Cats don't care for it as much. actually.
Because they're walking. I saw 2 cats outside our house walking around.
Cats are always laying still, so they don't like the cold, I don't think. But dogs are always moving around.
Oh yeah,
So that they're
they are more
populated.
active.
Yeah, active. Yeah. They're like rolling around in it.
So we need to be active today too, so that I will not feel cold. Okay. This will be our new vlog lab. The start of the 2nd week vlog. Yeah. By the way, guys, I'm going to do a weekly vlog, so subscribe to our channel, right, Lovey?
Yeah.
And
Smash that like button.
so our weekly vlog would be uploaded every Monday, 8 p.m. Philippine time. That would be Monday morning here in West Virginia. Let me show you guys the outside. The river is not frozen. Let's see the river here. Yes, the river is not frozen. Oh, some part, love, is kind of frozen. Yeah, some part. So this is our place here in West Virginia. This 2nd week of the year.
Yeah, it's cold enough to freeze.
So all those white that you can see here is snow. Do you have any idea, love, when it will melt?
Maybe this week.
Okay.
Maybe that's the snow again.
Huh? It will snow
If
again?
it gets warmer, like above 30, which I think it will,
Okay.
it should melt this week.
And then it will snow
Could
again.
Snow again, yeah. It snows all the way through March. Last
The
January.
winter was not bad.
But most years, it's like 1 or 2 days of snow. In the past 10 years.
Uh-huh.
But just recently, it's snowed a lot. Past 2 years.
Okay.
Or this year and last. But all the month of January had snow last year.
Actually, I love it, guys. But maybe because I work from home and I stayed home. I mean, I stay home, right?
Yeah.
But for other people who need to go out.
There's the train.
Oh yeah, Abby. There's a train.
That one's weird because you can't really see it coming.
That's very weird.
I've never seen it come that way.
The good thing there is it's not fast. That's why.
No.
Yeah.
They
So
kind of
it's
just have
very.
to blare on the horn.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no cross, what do you call it?
On that side, yeah.
There's no like crossing guard thing to stop people from going.
So that's the train, guys. That's very long and very slow, actually.
Yeah.
So look at that. It will pass by to our place.
Yeah.
That's so long. Look at that. Wow. So, for example, you will wait, love.
Yeah. Like 10 minutes.
Like, yeah, 10
At
minutes.
least. We just made it.
Mhm. Oh, yeah. But that scared me. Like, I can see already the head.
There's the end of it. Yeah. Not that long.
Oh, yeah, this is actually shorter than
Yeah.
the other train. But for me, that's still long.
Christmas time.
Hope Linda is not expecting love.
No, not from us. Anything.
Yeah? You think she was not expecting any gifts from
No.
us, like a New Year gift.
Nobody gives New Year gifts.
Yeah, I was surprised.
That's not a thing. She just
But
likes
I
to do
know
that.
that she was the one knocking our door
Yeah.
because only her knock our doors.
Yeah.
So that's Linda or Gary.
Yeah,
And yeah.
that was nice.
Why some cars are still covered with snow?
Some people just don't leave.
Yeah, maybe.
They're retired. They can stay home. People get food for like 2 weeks.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I
stay
think
home.
I will do like that. But because I love taking videos, I will go out. Because I'm not the driver. I have a professional driver.
There's the
What's that?
storage we can go to later, maybe.
Oh yeah. The $3 price cutter will go there later.
Yeah. After church.
Boom, 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 boom. It's so white.
It's Christmas time this
Yeah, I won't. Is it okay that one like this, one like
They are
that,
fresh.
and
They're
then
very
$5?
Yeah. Well, yes. Each one's $2.50.
Let me see.
Better.
The back.
10 cents.
Okay.
Yeah, you're always spending.
Wow.
Star fruit.
Oh. Oh yeah, this is the 39 love.
No,
You want to
30
change?
No, 39 is just the regular.
Yeah?
Well,
You don't
organic-
like?
It's 49 cents. You might as well get the organic. It's
Okay.
better. That's not bad. $5.45. I mean, the pork's probably good.
Oh yeah, like, can we get? I'm going to...
You want the manager special? It's pretty cheap.
Where?
$10 for that whole
Oh, yeah.
Boston butt.
Uh-huh.
You want that?
I'm going to...
That's actually a pretty
yeah.
good deal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How about the other
That's
one?
11. For
11.
less.
10.39. Why? Maybe there's something wrong.
Well, it's about to expire
Okay.
tomorrow.
Is that
It's good
healthy,
with
love?
mustard. If you have mustard, it's really good.
No, I don't like mustard.
You don't like mustard? Well, you can have it. It's fine.
Oh,
It's-
this one, love.
it's
Oh,
not
your
cheap.
dad is always giving me this.
Wait a minute.
That's the small Christmas tree in the downtown. Let's see if you can see here the decoration. Yeah, that's the decoration.
Oh,
They can still see here.
yeah.
Where are we going?
Going to the Dollar Tree.
$3 first,
Look for calendars
and then later, family.
and the food.
$1. Oh, love. Look at that. Ah, is this for spring?
Yeah.
Oh, welcome to our pond. Oh, here. Here's all the Valentine's decoration, love. Oh, yeah. But you and me. Marshmallow hearts.
Thank you.
That's so sweet, lovey. Oh, this one is cute.
You can give Dad $1 billion. $1 billion bar.
Oh, he will like that.
That's funny. It's the Easter stuff.
Yeah. It's mix.
Yeah.
This is $8. Love, this is so cute. Ack. Ack. Oh, wow. When I was a kid, I loved that. When I was a kid. Here. I think I saw already what... Huh?
Pop Tarts. Oops.
Hello guys.
You can get. Dad would get this. That was like a devil. I don't know if you get that. Or
Love
dinosaur.
this. But I thought it's just 125.
Oh, that's $3.
Yeah.
Yeah, expensive.
Because I was planning to give that to my to my two niece.
Oh.
That's why I
Well,
will buy now. Wait, it's $3 lang.
because of capital greed.
So we cannot get that.
No.
The one Big Love is $7.
Do they want to tag?
Like Diane will like it.
Oh.
You don't like, love?
You can get it. Come on.
It might get higher and higher until 2027. But the one I like is the one.
I mean, if you want to.
The decoration is like this,
Okay.
but with this.
Yeah.
But, what do you think?
I don't know.
And it's just 125.
I've gotten done with the cold.
I am too.
You know.
It hurts, yeah.
Yeah, it is painful when it gets that cold.
I mean, this apartment, it stays nice and warm, but,
Yeah.
you know, it's just like, but I like to take a walk, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to be able to walk
And,
somewhere.
I like shrimp. Shrimp, let's see, what is it called?
What's that?
Shrimp chow mein or something like that. Some kind of,
Oh yeah, she was so excited when I got chow mein noodles one time. Because I guess they eat that in Hong Kong a lot.
oh yeah, get some buy her some way.
Yeah, she loved that.
Yeah, why don't you surprise her one night and bring home some Chinese food?
Because she asked me, she said, I wonder why they dry these noodles.
All those kind, yeah.
Naririnig nyo yung tunog. Natutunaw yung snow sa bubong namin. Ayan, actually kaninang umaga, medyo makapal pa yan. Pero the whole day, naging warmer. So, let's see kung kailan ulit ang next snow. Kahit dun sa park ko, konti na lang. Meron pa rin, pero makikita nyo yung green. Green na siya. Bakit kaya maingay dun sa kabila? Kapag summer, hindi ko makita yung mga bahay dyan. Dun sa kabila. Kasi, yung mga punong yan, may siya. May mga dahon. Nirihit ko lang yung binigay ng kapitbahay namin. Pag-boiled ako ng egg. So, lalagay ko ito sa fridge. Ito, dalawa sa kanya, isa sa akin. And may beans pa. So, reheat ko din to. And then, cucumber. So, yan yung dinner namin. Pauwi na yun. Super busy today kasi yung kapatid ko, may sakit siya. I mean, nasa Pilipinas, pero may sakit siya. So, kailangan ko mag-work ng mas matagal or more hours para matapos yung task namin this week. Tulungan lang kami. Pag masama pakiramdam ko, siya naman. Bukas naman ako magluluto ng mga bagong food. Sarap. Mahirap nga lang kainin. So I'm going to cook. I don't know how to name this, but I will just cook this pork, and I have here pinto beans. I soak it overnight, so that's washed already, and I'm going to put some carrots, onion, and maybe just one jalapeno, and I'm going to use this. Beans, onions, then water. I will add more. So, I'm going to make it high first for 1 hour. So, mag-alarm na lang ako. And then, mamaya, i-low ko siya. I don't have tomatoes. But we have here ketchup. So, I add ketchup. And salt, and more pepper. Okay. It's still a very busy day for me today. But the good news is, my sister in the Philippines, she's feeling better now. So, maybe tomorrow she can help me already at work. So, I'm just preparing ginger and garlic. That crock pot helps me a lot. That's a big help for me because I just put everything inside and then I just let it cook. I want to add some ginger and garlic to that. I don't know what you call that, but it's just a soup. I'm not sure if that's a soup. Maybe. Or stew. I'm going also to cook some pasta. Okay. Whoops. Ow! Yeah, it's kinda hot. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. This is very late, but yeah. Still okay. Because I will still keep on simmering it. So the beans and the pork are cooked already. Woo! Yeah. So, yeah, I think that looks so good and yummy. Oops. Okay, let's. Oops. Just put water here inside. Okay. Then put. Okay. And then I'm not going to throw this because I'm going to use it for anything. So I will just clean it and remove the label. And I can use that for anything. So I'm collecting all jars. And I have here leftover ground beef. I'm just making it smaller. This looks good. I think this version is for kids. The shape of the pasta is like this. Christmas tree, gift, stars. But actually you cannot recognize it now. Some you can still, I can still recognize some. I add water. Just to make it saucy, you know. This will expire soon, so I'm going to finish it. Woo! Parmesan cheese. Pepper. And I want to add oregano. Whoa, this is okay now. Just removing these leaves. And then I have here water with salt. And I'm going to soak this for a few minutes or 5 minutes. Hi!
How are you?
I'm sleeping.
Oh no.
Ooh.
Want a stress ball?
What's that?
When you get stressed at me, you can squeeze that.
If I'm stressed with you?
No, that just it felt work.
We're live, Lovey. Look at that.
Oh, I didn't know that. You surprised me. You should have told me something. Cut.
Cut. Why? What did
We're
you
live?
do?
Oh no. What did I do?
I need your help. I need, like,
What do you
I
know?
cannot taste it.
Oh, okay.
So, I need your help. Like, we have here.
Oh, you crock pot. Ooh, easy. You need
But I need you to taste it so that we can adjust the. Be careful, because I burned my
that's
tongue.
hot. That's hot. Be careful.
That's why.
Ooh. Just the soup? You mean?
Here lang. You want me to. But be careful, later you will burn your tongue. So that we can adjust the taste. Yes, I put already salt.
It's good.
Okay, another
I
one.
mean, oil. Yeah.
Huh?
Oil's good. Or whatever the.
I didn't put oil.
There's some kind of oil in it, or the fats. Probably beef fat.
No, love, that's not beef, that's
Well-
pork.
Or pork, I'm sorry.
Okay, but here, another one.
Ooh. Is that our Christmas pasta?
Yeah. Careful, careful.
Mmm.
Just enough?
Yeah. I think it's good.
Okay. Okay, enough, enough. You said you're going to do exercise first.
Yeah. Thank you.
Drink water, Lobby.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, love, you can eat now.
Sure.
So I will just work here. It's very cold outside. But yesterday, especially at night, it was a bit warm. But this morning, it's very cold again. Oh, okay, it's 8:30 now, and I'm going to start to work. So I had a very productive day today because I woke up early and I started work early. It's now 5:30 and Wade is coming home. So I will just serve this. Of course, leftover. I'll just cut it into half. And some vegetable. The broccoli. Every Wednesday, I usually didn't eat with Wade, together with Wade. If you know Wade, Wade can eat very fast. Just reheat this to the microwave and also the soup. Yeah. Actually, I didn't finish my food. But look, I'm always bloated. I look like pregnant. I hope. But for him, this one. Oh no. Okay, no. So while waiting for him, I can actually prepare also his lunch for tomorrow. So that is food for tonight. And then this is his food for lunch tomorrow.
Okay. Tastes like strawberries. okay?
I'm ready to go.
Oh, okay. Let me get ready.
We're back. We're home. My husband gave me this. Love, is this same with what you with what you get or give me last time, or no? Is this same?
Yeah, I think so. hot fudge sundae.
I don't want to tempt you, Lovey.
Oh, no, I don't want to.
This is for your wife only.
It's all Oreos left.
Mmm. I think this is good with milk.
Yeah.
Love, there's a twin egg.
Twin egg.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 yolks.
Yes. Look at this.
What? Is that the one on the left?
Mm-hmm.
That never happens.
Can eat.
I think it was like.
You don't have bag, Lovey?
I forgot to get a bag. Yeah.
Oh.
The cheap avocado was like 50 cents.
Okay.
It was very cheap. A little more. I think it's like $75 for all this.
For all these. Wow, this is so big. Sesame oil.
A blender.
Okay, thank you,
You're
love.
welcome, love.
Love, do you have pillars here? Maybe you
Unless they're in there. Next time we go out, like, show me what you want. We'll get it.
What are you watching, Robbie?
They're riding an elephant.
Who?
That, what's his name? AB Family.
Ooh.
Ooh la la.
Ooh, this
We'll see how they go.
looks good.
Mm.
going to tell. Ta-da!
Fresh potatoes.
Yeah. That's from the scratch lobby.
Gourmet cook.
If you need more, just get a plate. I'll cook another batch.
Okay.
Still have.
Potatoes.
I'll put on your plate. Just don't put ketchup on my plate, lobby.
Okay.
Okay?